Got some really good stuff for you here, guys. So the green Rubicon busted an axle and some roots. It was an 8-ball axle. So then we got out the Wolverine on the 28-inch Aztecs, and that thing actually rips. Couldn't get it stuck, and it hauled ass. And then in the video, we synced the yellow Rubicon pretty bad, and also just tons of really gnarly water wheelies with the XMR 700. I've got that balance point down.
Fucking with all them baller niggas. Get your money, girl. Break all them niggas. See that crazy shit?
I got it! Whoa. There's a big rut. That was awesome. Yeah, that's the way to go. That was a little deep. Yes! Yes! This thing is currently 3-wheel drive. Broke a back axle, which is very annoying. Oh, there it goes. Kapow! Kapow! That reverse is low. It's moving. It's a bad spot.
That's funny.
Yeah. I don't know how I went through in reverse. Honda power. You might have to bail. Right here is that Robin tried to do the reverse trick I did, but didn't give it quite enough throttle, and also her bike has raked arms, so it was leaned a little farther back. So obviously it's hydrolock. First thing to do is pull the spark plug, get it running for just a second, check the oil. It was milkshaked, so we towed it back to the trailer, brought it home, did 3 oil changes, and now I'm about to do a top end on it. Fun, fun, fun.